Hey guys, John, Vapor Honing Technologies here today. We are working with two of the same bolts here. We're showing you how the incredible vapor honing cleaning process can be used no matter the application. What we have are two bolts. They are the same. They were zinc plated. The zinc plating is wearing off here. That's why they are corroding. But we've cleaned the one up here in my left hand, and the one on the right side obviously has not been cleaned. We used the fine mesh glass bead slurry on this part. This part technically now would be ready for another zinc plating application here. It's going to give you a really nice outcome and a really nice final part. What we have here that I wanted to show you, and I've always loved this, is the incredible detail of the cleaning of the threads on these bolts. There's corrosion that's been built up on this part. You can imagine with that corrosion the amount of stress it's putting on the threaded part of this particular piece here. If you were to thread this bolt in with all this corrosion and grit and grime, you're going to get inaccurate readings probably on your torque spec, and that's going to become a huge problem down the road for whatever this holds together. So that's why I've always liked this, but it's also a good coating prep process as well. I have been told many times over, for zinc plating, the vapor honing prep process is fantastic, because now you're ready to go ahead and coat and treat this part. And it looks incredible. The finishes are amazing. The rust cleaning capabilities here are phenomenal. I mean, these bolts looked identical. The heads were black, just like this, but now look how clean, and so were the threads. They were all corroded and damaged and gummed up. So hopefully you guys liked the video. If you did, subscribe to our channels, like our content, and if you have questions about this application or any application you might be working with, give the sales team a call or shoot them an email. They're always here and happy to help. As always, thanks for watching.